Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be doing a simple gel polish mani using products from Sundara Nails. We're diving right into this mani here with Fall-Elujah, and this is by far the most fun, vibrant fall color. You're going to see it here. We're going to do 2 coats today of these gel polishes, and this color right here, it is just like a beautiful maple leaf orange here with the most beautiful sparkle. So that is just 1 coat, and then I am going to cure each coat for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go right in with another coat after we do the 2 coats here. But you can really build up this gel polish if you're looking for more of like a sheer jelly coverage. 1 coat of this color is gonna be the perfect jelly effect. But if you really want to build up that color, you can do 2 coats. So I cured for 30 seconds, and I am curing as we go today. And we're going in with another layer here of this gel polish here. Now the formula is amazing. It does not have a strong scent to it at all. And also these gel polishes that we're using are Hema 21 free. So if you've ever experienced any gel sensitivities or anything like that, I definitely recommend trying Sundara's gel products. They are amazing, and all the gel products that you see on their website are all the same really nice formula of that Hema 21 free. So now we're going into this beautiful color here. This one right here, I feel like it's gonna be, the name first of all is Happy Fall, y'all. I just love it. But this color right here is definitely gonna be a staple. You're gonna be able to use this color all year long. Do not let that name fool you. It is by far the most beautiful like white gold, and it's gonna pair perfectly with so many different colors, and you're gonna be able to do so many different things. If you like nail art with like a fine detail brush, doing some like lines, that's gonna be super beautiful. So we are going in with that second coat here, and this is really when that color just comes to life here. You can really see the difference with 2 coats versus 1. It's so pretty. This would be perfect for also like a wedding. If you're having a fall wedding and you really love like that white champagne gold look, this is gonna be for you. So now we're also gonna do an accent nail using this really pretty color. It's a solid called Bittersweet October, and this color right here, it's super pretty. Do not let this color fool you. This is like the perfect accent nail for fall, even transitioning into Thanksgiving or Halloween. If you like nail art, this is a really good color. You can make some really fun flowers with this color. Again, I'm using it for an accent nail, and I love like these like mustard yellow cream colors. I think they're very gorgeous. It's going to complement a lot of different skin tones. It has a slight olive undertone, which is super pretty. So we are going to add a leopard print decal to that accent nail here. So what I did is I placed that decal in room temperature water. I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of gel base to this entire nail, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Applying a layer of gel base is going to give that nail a little bit of extra sticky, tacky surface to really help this full coverage decal adhere to the nail. So now I remove that backing. I'm using a jelly stamper just to make sure that I am getting that decal on that nail as flat as I can be, and I can really see where I'm placing it with that jelly stamper. Totally optional. And now that we have that decal on there, I need to clean up all that extra decal that's hanging over that nail. So I'm taking my favorite flat brush with a little bit of acetone, and I am gently removing any extra decal that may be hanging over the nail. Now this step does take a little bit because you really want to make sure you're taking your time so you do not start dissolving away that decal, because acetone and decals do not mix. It does dissolve the decal, so you just want to make sure you have a really light hand. But this is the best way to clean up these decals, is with a little bit of acetone and this flat brush. I tried a lot of different flat brushes when it comes to doing decals. I do a lot of decals on my channel, and I just love that flat brush. All right, then to seal in this mani, we're going to go right in with a layer of gel top coat. Now, if ever you experience when you finish a mani just going in with top coat and you have a little bit of flaking or peeling, then do a layer of gel base first, cure that for 30 seconds, then go in with a layer of top coat. But I am going in with just a layer of top coat today. And check out this fun fall mani with a little bit of leopard print. I love it so much. These colors are gorgeous. They're great. They're must-have colors. I love Fall-Elujah. That sparkle is everything, and that sparkle really pulls in that other glitter that we use today called It's Fall, y'all, and I love that accent nail. I feel like Bittersweet October is just a great color to have, especially if you like doing nail art and using a dotting tool with flowers or making like leaves. I feel like that color is going to be so good for an accent nail, but it's such a gorgeous color. So this combination right here, it's everything to me. We have that sparkle and leopard print, all of my favorite things, right? And you can find everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, including that really cute leopard print decal sheet. I hope you enjoyed this simple gel mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.